Hi friends, this is Mr. Julian aka JSC. We are here again to bring more content with new content of course. And today's issue is related to the origin of language. Well, sometimes we ask where does language come from? We have many languages all over the world. But the question that never stops is where is the language from? Or where are the language from? Well, let's search a little bit to science. Because according to some scholars, there were times that people didn't speak. I mean, not exactly didn't speak, didn't have language. Okay, oral language. Okay, has started. Is older than written, as I can say. People started to speak so long ago, more than 2,000 years. But written language came only after 5,000 years. Okay, and there are many theories about the origins of language. Those theories that we can find according to George Yu, a linguistic, in his book The Study of Language, 4th edition, 2010. He talks about the divine source, the nature sound source, the physical adaptation source, the tool-making source, and the genitive chorus. In this section, we're going to talk especially about the divine source. What do you think about divine? Can you understand something just listening to these words? Alright. In this theory, the divine source, the assumption is that people speak because the language was given by God. Okay. It's believed that if people speak, this gift is given by God. Then we are going to find some experimental. If you allow me to read, it's from George Yu. It's a story of an Egyptian pharaoh. It's from the Greek writer. The one who did the experiment, his name is Summit. You know what he did? He took two babies, and he has put them out of the society, out of the relationship with others, and there was only goats and also dumb people that were the shepherd controlling them. As time was going on, they could realize that they uttered one word. I mean, they spoke a word. This word is bekos. And according to this experiment, this bekos is a word which means bread, coming from Frisian, okay? It's a Frisian word that means bread. And then the Egyptian thought that if these kids can speak, it's because God has given them this language, although there are also some critics. There are a lot of people that criticize this theory. They say that no, once they were with God, maybe they heard God, producing their sounds. If you can, I know that the goats, they sound like bird, okay? And the critics say that they had taken out maybe only one verse, okay? Only one digraph. just to, they have added to the sound of God, and then they had this word. Okay? And this is the base of this theory. That word comes from God. Even you there, if you have your kids, maybe try to make these experiments. Okay, bring them to the bush there in your field, but you should have money, okay, you should have food to support them. Alright? This was our assumption, this was our issue for today. If you want more information, more knowledge about this divine source, please don't hesitate, write there in the comments or in private, ring me up and we are going to explain. Bye.